Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial I will show you how to sign up for Adidas affiliate program. Now in the recent video I showed you how to sign up for Nike affiliate program. You can also check that out, but in this video I will show you on Adidas. So basically you will need to go to Google and type in Adidas affiliate program. Here you will have the first link, so just click here. What is our affiliate program? Here you can see all about you can see all about the Adidas affiliate program right here, as you can see. And basically you can get a lot of different things right here. Now, as you can see, once you click here, you'll be able to go here and apply to affiliate program. Now, you can also see that you get a lot of different things right here that you can get within affiliate program. Obviously, you can also, Adidas also recommends that you have an audience that is targeted to men and women aged 18 to 24, which this will drive traffic, more traffic. You can click here, apply now, and you'll basically land on this page in a second. You'll basically land on Impact, which is basically a platform for affiliates. And here you'll just need to go through and log in and submit all of this right here. And as you can see here, you can see the payout groups, how much of a payout you will get basically per referral. So right now, as you can see here, are just some of the terms of services. You'll need to obviously accept that and sign up here, and then you'll be able to go and promote obviously Adidas affiliate program, so or Adidas product. So that's pretty much how you can join and sign up for Adidas affiliate program. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.